dogs went out to play, chasing their tails in a wobbly way. One jumped high, the other ran fast. The smallest one just rolled on the grass. Down by the river they found a log, sniffing and barking a happy jog. Splash! One slipped, oh what a sight! The others laughed, tails wagging bright. Into the meadow, through flowers so tall, butterflies dancing, they chased them all. One got dizzy, spun round and round, tumbled down on the soft green ground. Then came a cat with a sneaky grin, tiptoeing close with a whiskered spin. The dogs stood still, their ears held tight, ready to chase with all their might. Round a big tree they ran